Hey folks, Sam here again. Another nice little package has arrived for me today, the Apple Pencil, but my iPad Pro still isn't here. I got the Magic Keyboard yesterday, got this today, just a little while ago, and they haven't even shipped the iPad Pro just yet. So I'm a little annoyed by that, but what can you do? And here we are. It's a nice, cute little box. Apple has really done a good job with their packaging. And, for as much as they're charging you, they better package it nice, right? You almost want to keep the box. I know I did with the Alienware laptop I had. I kept the box when I sold it. I shipped it to the guy in the box. But let's unbox this now. And it's kind of a nice little way of packaging that. And of course, the customary designed by Apple in California, which I find a little pretentious, but I guess pretentious is kind of Apple's thing. And put that aside, and here it is. It is my Apple Pencil. It still has a little plastic thing on it there. So pick it up by that. And I did have it etched because I did want a little customization, and hopefully YouTube won't hit me for this. Where we go one, we go all. Catch y'all later.